Oh, push on here to this bit.
I don't have that lock.
They're not very easy to put on.
But there is no lock for me.
Oh, yours are a bit different. Very steep. Right at the top now. Hopefully that sun clears up. Can't see much up here, but fingers crossed, eh? You slide a lot, eh? Whew. Hey? Yeah, aren't they? Sun's out, you can see nothing. This is mental. It's actually hot. There it is, the summit. We made it. Come on, sun. Burn off the fog. Give us the view. Legends. Woo! Top of Australia! So good. Well done, dude. We made it. Oh man. You wear these? Yeah? Oh, you try and convince me those things work. I'll leave mine off. So good. I'll be buzzing for weeks after this. For that split second. That's the highest mountain in Australia. Oh, now I'm falling down the hill. Skating down. Come on, bro! Yoo! Oh dear. That was good. I loved that so much. Oh dear. I can't believe how much it's cleared up too. Like this, you can even see. Oh man. That's the Charlotte's Pass track, which is what I was gonna do this morning, but my jacket. Anyway, this one was cool. Here he goes again.
Shoes become wet.
steep. I'm so stoked, man. Oh, I love it. Yep. Cheers, Umesh. You were a brilliant travel buddy. I don't think we could have timed it any better. Like, the rain is starting to settle in now. It's supposed to be stormy and snowfall the next 3 days, and it just, man, it was so cool. Like, it was foggy and it was at times freaky because you couldn't see like 5 meters in front of you. Anyway, at the top, we got up there was not a view. You couldn't see 5 meters, and within 10 minutes it cleared up and the whole thing just became just stunning. I'm stoked. Oh, happy days, man. That beer is gonna taste so damn good tonight. Umesh! How cool is the little town too? Thredbo, little alpine village. So weird, I didn't know we had this sort of stuff in Australia. I thought it was just more like a sort of, you know, American, Canadian type thing, but meh, there you go. Powerade, Red Bull, water, GoPro, warm jumper, thin, rain-proof jumper, some muesli bars, an apple, a banana, and dried mango. Perfect. Oh, actually, let's have a look. Here you go. So that's the stats from Thredbo chairlift. Nearly 20,000 steps, 15 Ks. Yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. Well worth it. And the other cost, $17 for the National Parks Day Pass and $49 to get up the chairlift. Yeah, you don't have to pay for the chairlift if you go to Charlotte's Pass, but it's I think 4 or 5 Ks longer as well. But seeing Thredbo itself is cool. Charlotte's Pass is stunning though. I loved that drive into the city, in a little town, whatever it is, village. So yeah, what's that? 50 plus these, 100, $117. Not bad for one of the best days of my life.